Daily English Talks.
Preparing dinner in the evening. It's already evening, so I think we should start preparing dinner before it gets too late.
That sounds like a good idea, because I am starting to feel really hungry after a long day at work.
I was thinking we could cook something simple but delicious that doesn't take too much time.
Yes, I agree, because I don't have much energy left, but I still want to enjoy a nice meal.
How about we make some fried rice with vegetables and grilled chicken on the side?
That sounds perfect, because it is both filling and easy to prepare at the same time.
Great! Then I will start by washing the rice and preparing it in the rice cooker.
While you are doing that, I will take the chicken out of the fridge and start seasoning it.
Don't forget to add some garlic, pepper, and a little bit of soy sauce for extra flavor.
Of course, I always like to add those ingredients because they make the chicken taste much better.
I will also chop some carrots, onions, and green beans for the fried rice.
That's good, because vegetables will make the dish healthier and more colorful.
Could you help me cut the onions? Because they always make my eyes water.
Sure, I don't mind doing that, even though onions sometimes make me cry too.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help because cooking together is much more fun.
I agree, because it feels like we are spending quality time together while doing something useful.
The rice cooker is on now, so it should be ready in about 20 minutes.
That gives us enough time to prepare everything else before the rice is done.
I will heat some oil in the pan so we can start cooking the vegetables.
Meanwhile, I will place the chicken on the grill and cook it slowly until it becomes golden brown.
The vegetables are starting to smell really nice as they cook in the pan.
The chicken is also sizzling on the grill, and the aroma is making me even hungrier.
Once the rice is ready, we can mix it with the vegetables and add some seasoning.
Don't forget to add a little soy sauce and maybe an egg to make the fried rice richer.
That's a great idea because egg fried rice always tastes better and more satisfying.
I will crack a couple of eggs into the pan and scramble them before mixing everything together.
The rice is done now, so I will add it to the pan with the vegetables and eggs.
Let's stir everything well so that all the ingredients are evenly mixed.
I will taste a small spoonful to see if it needs more salt or seasoning.
How does it taste? And do we need to add anything else to improve the flavor?
It tastes really good, but I think we should add a little more soy sauce for extra depth.
All right, I will pour a small amount and mix it carefully so it doesn't become too salty.
The fried rice looks colorful and delicious now, which makes me excited to eat.
The chicken is almost ready as well, and it has a nice golden color on the outside.
That sounds perfect because everything is coming together at the right time.
I will take the chicken off the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before serving.
Meanwhile, I will prepare the plates and set the table for dinner.
Don't forget to bring some drinks because a cold beverage would go well with this meal.
I will get some fresh juice from the fridge to make the dinner even more refreshing.
Thank you. That will make our meal feel even more complete and enjoyable.
Let's serve the fried rice onto the plates and add the grilled chicken on the side.
Everything looks amazing, and I am really impressed with how well we work together.
Cooking together always makes the food taste better because we put effort into it as a team.
I completely agree, because it also makes the whole process more enjoyable and less tiring.
Let's sit down and enjoy our dinner while it is still warm and fresh.
Yes, I've been looking forward to this moment since we started cooking.
Take a bite and tell me what you think about the taste of the food.
Wow, it tastes absolutely delicious, and the flavors are perfectly balanced.
I'm glad you like it because we both worked hard to prepare this meal.
It was definitely worth the effort because this is one of the best dinners we have made together.
After dinner, we should clean the kitchen together so everything stays neat and tidy.
That's a good idea because cleaning up right away makes things much easier later.
I will wash the dishes while you wipe the table and put away the leftovers.
Sure, teamwork makes everything faster and more efficient.
I really enjoyed cooking with you tonight because it was both fun and relaxing.
I enjoyed it too, and we should do this more often in the future.
Next time, we can try cooking a different dish and learn something new together.
That sounds exciting, because I always enjoy trying new recipes and flavors.
For now, let's finish cleaning and then relax after a satisfying dinner.
Yes, that sounds perfect because we truly deserve a nice and peaceful evening.